Hey guys, welcome back to Sam and Baby, and today is just going to be a little bit update. Today I am actually currently 9 weeks pregnant now, and I actually did have my first ultrasound appointment about a week or two ago, 2 weeks ago. So here's the picture. This was taken when, I know this says 7 weeks, 3 days, but I did discover that my period was actually a day earlier than I thought it was. So really, I was 7 weeks, 4 days. So here's the little baby. This is like the amniotic sac, the yolk sac, and then you can see a little bit of the umbilical cord, which I believe that is. I might be wrong. Also, the baby had a 100 heartbeat, 100 beats per minute. So yeah, and guess I'll do a little bump, I guess, for 9 weeks, which I don't think I'm really showing, but something that I have noticed is that like in the middle of my stomach, like just like the stomach up to here, it's just like there's just emptiness like right here, and it's just weird. I noticed that when I woke up today, which I thought was very weird. I also already bought some baby stuff. I got some Pinkies, some Nuke for newborns up to 6 months, and then I have this cute little outfit, which let me quickly put it out. Okay, so here's the outfit. Let me get the picture out of the way. So it's just like these little pants that are like kind of like grayish, like a dark gray with white arrows going down. That's on the back side as well. And then there's just like a little onesie, or I think that's what they're called. Long sleeves, and it says Hello World. And then the same design on the pants is also on the hat. And I just find this absolutely adorable. I don't know, I just fell in love with it, and it's just like I have to get it. Yeah. So that's really, there's not really much for this time. It's just nothing really significant has happened yet. I mean, I have been dealing with a lot of nausea and morning sickness, but like today's like that first morning out of like the 3 weeks I've been having nausea and morning sickness that I don't feel nauseous or haven't had morning sickness. And when I say morning sickness, it doesn't specifically mean the actual morning. I've had it, in the morning, I've had it in the afternoon, I have it at night. It seriously could happen whenever. But yeah, this definitely is gonna be a ride. And I'm gonna be honest, I honestly thought that I would miscarry, and the fact that I'm already at 9 weeks definitely like surprises me. So like every day and every week I reach being further along, it definitely makes me more confident in like I'm not gonna have a miscarriage, because I was told by many doctors that I was infertile and that I wouldn't be able to have kids on my own. So the fact that I got pregnant on my own definitely surprised me a lot, and it was all unexpected, didn't plan it or anything, but it's just, I don't even know. Sorry, I'm so out of breath. But I really don't know. It's just, it was a big shocker. It was a big surprise. And then, I thought because, okay, you know what, maybe I am infertile and just, I was that lucky just to get pregnant. Maybe it won't last. Maybe, I'll be able to be pregnant for a couple of weeks and then I'll miscarry. Like, I really didn't think I would even make it to like 8 weeks. Like, I really thought like by 6 or 7 weeks I would have miscarried. But I'm definitely happy. I'm definitely doing everything in my power to, make it work out so I can keep this kid, especially with, just getting through the pregnancy part. Yeah, and also my new due date went from March 7th to March 6th of 2020. Not a big deal, just everything moved up a day and back a day. For how far along I moved up a day, but my due date moved back a day. I don't know, that's confusing, but yeah. So anyway, guys, that's it for this time. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was short and not really, long or anything. I don't know the next time when I'll make a video, but I'll definitely like try making a video, even if it's not like pregnancy related, because like my life is very unproductive right now and there's like nothing that I'm really doing. But yeah, so if you like this video, make sure you like it up. If you like to see more, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell. Make sure you hit the bell for a notification next time I upload a video. And make sure you comment down below. I don't care what you love, what you hate. I don't know, just comment something. That's it for this time, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.